Okay guys, this is a coffee machine, and I'm to service it because it's showing that the cartridge is blocked. Okay, so I'm going to open it and clean it up manually without chemical. This is a coffee machine. So first, here is the power to on it, and then you press the button off and on. So it's on. What I'm going to do, okay, it's on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to off it again to enable me open it without a problem. So I'm going to take this out, okay, and then I'm going to take this out as well and show you guys. Okay, like it's clean. This was clean. I would have shown you guys how the coffee used to come out. And then I'm going to open like this. Okay, so here is where the coffee is, and from here you can get to open the place for the cartridge. So this is the cartridge. Okay, so I'm going to take this cartridge out and I'm going to wash it and clean it. So guys, this is how to take out the cartridge. You pull this red button, there are two red buttons back, and you press this other one, you press it in and you take away the cartridge. So this is the cartridge. I just washed it not long ago. This is where the coffee used to come to stay. So you can, as you can see, it's clean. So this, I cleaned it without any chemical. I manually cleaned it. So that is it. Thank you.